ma'am.
BD Pen Tigers,
Yes, ma'am.
Royal Pen Warriors,
Yes.
Royal Pen Warriors, Javed,
One player is still left. One player, because it is 36, it should be 37.
yes.
All of you, please mute yourself, because for playing, no need of any, microphone. Okay, now 37. Can you start?
All
Can
of
we
you,
start?
I hope all of you have joined, and
Let us start.
everybody
If any team have any objection, please tell us. Otherwise, we are going to start. No need of telling yes to all the team. Just tell no if anybody has any objection. It's 37, so I feel we can start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first round will be by Dr. Pratibha. So Pratibha, get ready for the first round. And
Yes,
unless you are telling to go for the next slide, we will not be going to the next slide.
sure, sir.
Okay, one team has again left.
I think, sir, it is my mobile you leave.
Okay, should we start? Okay, fine. Pratibha, we are starting now.
Start, sir.
Okay.
So we have the first round, and this is an Axon round, and we are going to have 4 questions in this round. So we'll start with the first question. Sir, please go ahead. So please see the images, and you're going to have another set of images after this. So you have to see these 2 images and relate these images to the next images. So can we have the next slide, sir? Please see the image.
Gate control theory.
Arey, please mute yourself. And please relate those images to one of the person from all the 4 images. Sir, next slide.
So this is the real question coming.
So now you have the 4 options. So you had seen the image in the first slide, and you have to relate that image to one of the persons from these images. You have to please mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. Some may know, for some it may be a guesswork. So let us see who all are lucky.
So 13 has scored right. Majority scored right, Pratibha.
I'm very, very surprised that 13 people have scored right. So that means that we still know our scientists in real. Or whether it is a guesswork, I'm not sure. So you had seen the picture. So that was a picture of, in the first picture, we had a gate. And
Can I go to the next slide, Pratibha?
Yes, sir, please. So we had the picture of gate control, and the scientists that were given, out of them, one of them was the Ronald Melzack. Sir, can we have the answer slide? So this is the correct answer. If you have, Kailash has done it wrong. So I can see the video, and it is the correct answer is Ronald Melzack. He was a Canadian psychologist, and he revolutionized the pain research by introducing gate control theory of pain. So the correct answer is Ronald Melzack. We purposely did not put both Wall and Melzack together because you would have guessed it otherwise. So it was little bit tricky. So good luck next time for people who have not done well, and congratulations to people who have answered it correctly. So we'll go ahead with the next question. So what is wrong regarding the structural organization of peripheral nerve fiber? And the options are: endoneurium in the nerve fiber forms the blood nerve barrier, nerve fascicles are enclosed by perineurium, individual nerve fibers are enclosed by endoneurium, and the entire nerve is enclosed within epineurium. So you have to find out what is wrong. That means incorrect answer you have to mark. So the incorrect answer is
Pratibha,
Yes,
before
sir.
going to the correct answers, with that slide, there will be scores. Shall I show the scores? There you can explain the answer.
Yes, sir. Please show it.
Okay, let us see the score first.
So young team, Tigers. Oh, that's good. Gujarat, Royal, and Pune.
So first, best players will be shown on the screen.
So the fastest one is the Tiger team. Sayan, congratulations. So the answer, you have to find out the incorrect answer. That is a wrong answer. So the wrong answer was endoneurium. And it is not endoneurium, but it is the perineurium, which is the blood nerve barrier. So within a nerve, each axon is surrounded by a layer of connective tissue. That's called endoneurium. And the axons are bundled together to form the group of fascicles. And each fascicle is wrapped by a layer of connective tissue called as a perineurium. And this forms the blood nerve barrier and acts as a diffusion barrier for local anesthetics. And finally, the entire nerve is wrapped by epineurium. So that's how we have these coverings. Next slide, sir. The interesting aspect is that in the perineurium, we have the space between the fascicles, which is called as the interfascicular space, while within the individual fascicle, it is called as intrafascicular space. So it has been recently stated that interfascicular injection may not cause the injury, while the intrafascicular injection probably will. This is in opposition to the classic view that all the neuronal injections lead to the neuronal damage. So the answer is perineurium is the blood nerve barrier and not the endoneurium. So can we go ahead with the next question, sir? So look at this image.
Shall
So
I go next?
you all know what is this image. I'm not going to tell that. So can we have next slide, sir? So all the processes are related to the image shown except. So we all know that there are processes and one of the processes in the answer is wrong. And the options are translation, transmission, transduction, and modulation. This is a very, very simple answer. So one of them is incorrect that you have to mark.
So most of them answered very right.
That's great. That was a very simple question, sir. Anyway, so congratulations. Very nice that most of you.
Let us see the score, Pratibha.
Yes, sir. Cyan is really making the lead. The Cyan is again on top, Tiger team, and the young team followed. Then the Royal team, then Pune, and then followed by Jagrati. So the other teams buck up. So we go to the. So we all know that the processing of pain occurs by the 4 processes, that is transduction, transmission, modulation, and perception. Next slide, please. So the incorrect answer was translation, because transduction, transmission, modulation, and perception are the 4 processes.
Next question.
Okay. So identify the order of blockade of type of nerve fibers. Starting with the fibers, those are blocked first.
क्या है भाई ये?
Carefully read it. Identify the order of blockade of nerve fibers. So which nerve fibers are blocked
भेज दिया
first?
भेज दिया.
Please, Shirish, mute yourself. We have different type of nerve fibers. Which are the nerve fibers which are blocked first and which are the last ones? So write the correct order.
Starting with fibers which are blocked fast.
Okay. So this was, I think, little.
Tricky question, difficult question, and majority answered wrong.
It is not tricky, sir. It is not tricky. It is the tension in that time that you have to.
Maybe.
Not a difficult question at all. Otherwise, if you ask, I'm sure everybody will answer. But during that time, if you have to think, then all it gets jumbled up, I think, in the mind. So that was.
So let us see the score first. Then you
yes,
explain
sir.
the answers.
Yes, sir. So the Royal team
has coming up first.
That's very nice. Royal team followed by the Pan India, then the Tiger team, and then the Pan India again, and then young team.
I told ma'am Pan will be fighting a great.
यार क्या बर्बाद हो गया था. ये तो round first.
So I
Okay,
think,
shall I go next, Pratibha?
yes, sir, please. Okay. So the order of the correct sequence is the B fibers, that is autonomic fibers, are blocked first, followed by A delta and C fibers, which are the sensory fibers, then A gamma, A beta, and A alpha fibers. The sequence is sympathetic block first, followed by sensory blockade, and then followed by the motor block. That was the sequence that was written, and it depends on the type of fiber, size, and myelination. So all of you know that. So better luck next time, and we'll go to the next question.
Okay, so first round is completed. So all of you, before going to the second round, please all of you put your, add your team members' scores and show on the WhatsApp. Kanchan, you can announce the scores.
Sir, Kanchan will have the next round, so it's okay. Let her do it. I'll announce the scores. After
Okay.
that, Kanchan can do it.
Okay. So Pan India already announced it. You just check it.
So Pan India looks like very fast in Pain Brain tournament.
Yes, it looks like that.
So we have Pan India score is 7711, that is 7,711. The next team is Painkillers Rishikesh. Their score is 5,413.
Oh my God.
Then we have Shakti Pain Squad. Their score is 5,803.
So Pratibha, it looks like they are scared about the of being disqualified. So they are checking thrice, not twice.
That's why they are taking long time.
Okay, Jagriti has announced their score.
Yes, Jagriti has 4,598.
Question, can we?
IAPM team is 4,360. I request you that please you will have to write the
Yeah.
name first and then give the score. It becomes easier for us.
Other teams, please be fast.
So the Pune team is coming up. Pune Pain Conquerors is 5,726. The Healer Dragon is 4,364. Four thousand 4,586 is Ames Bhopal. 5,090 is BD Pain Tigers. Seven teams have announced. Still, we have 5 teams to go. Calculation is taking long time.
Plus, I'll be requesting all the team. They must be having their own WhatsApp group so that they can share their knowledge. They can discuss what they are. Because ultimately all this quiz competition is for understanding the pain, increasing our knowledge on pain. So they should be having their own group, and they should be discussing everything on their group, including the scores here.
Yes, sir, we are doing that.
Why you are logging out, Samir?
We can keep audience round for this this time actually as a filler.
Yes, we are trying to make it in the next round. We'll be trying for that.
Sir, actually, not on Kahoot. We can just keep it on the screen sharing only. We can do it, sir.
Yes, that you can do. That you can do. We can do a PowerPoint presentation on that. We can make a audience round.
Because anyway, that's also again, I think Umesh only is coming up with very nice ideas.
Right. That is very good idea. And Pratibha, we'll be doing it on the itself. We can do it in the PowerPoint. By screen sharing, we can do it.
Time of calculation, I think we can go ahead with the audience round.
Because I am COVID positive and I'm getting bored in home isolation, so I want the audience.
So you're coming with all creative things.
Okay, Pratibha, we cannot wait further. Please announce the scheme, whatever scores we are getting. We'll be announcing the next score after the next round.
Sure, sir. Sir, go ahead with the next round.
Okay, now we can announce it quickly, and we can go ahead with the next.
I have already told, sir. So the whole thing we'll announce one by one. Now I have already told till BD Tigers. After that, nobody has announced the scores.
Ma'am, we can have that score after the 2 rounds.
मैडम एक क्वेश्चन है,
हाँ, बोलिए.
स्कोर कहाँ पे भेजना है मैडम? आपके मोबाइल पे भेजना है या दरदिया फॉलो पे भेजना है?
PBT ग्रुप पे, PBT ग्रुप जो है,
Pain Brain Tournament WhatsApp group.
पीबीटी ग्रुप.
Pain Brain Tournament WhatsApp group.
टीम आहे आमची. टीमची स्कोरिंग झालं. त्या दुसरीचं 2 करेक्ट आले, माझं एकच आहे. त्याचं तिसरं 3 करेक्ट आले.
Hello, madam.
Can I know who is speaking?
Hello, madam. Myself, Dr. Samir. Hello.
Samir, you are there on the group, no?
Yes, madam. Actually, I myself has logged out due to calculation. Right now, I have logged in a different name.
In?
Samir IAPM. My score will be right now showing 0. Okay. Because due to calculation, I have logged out.
Okay, fine. That anyway you will be. That should not be a problem. Is that a problem, sir?
It might be a problem. Don't log out, because final score what will be there on the Kahoot will be all matching whatever you have announced on the WhatsApp group. So
Sir,
I am telling you all the group that please don't log out from the Kahoot. Please remain login in the Kahoot. No need of logging out from the Kahoot to make a calculation.
See, what I suggest is people who are playing the round, no, they should not log out. You just give the answers, your score to the members. Let them copy it and put it.
Okay, for Somir, what you are doing, for Somir, you again log in. We will be calculating, your earlier and later together. Don't worry about it, but it might be a problem for if many of you are doing this thing. Don't log out from Kahoot. You continue your playing.
So the Royal Pain Warriors
Sir, it is auto logged out.
Huh?
Sir, it is auto logged out. I have not logged out it. Due to calculation, auto logged out.
Okay, next time you don't do it. You just mention in your WhatsApp group that you was logged out, so that we can take care of your thing. Anybody who is logged out automatically, please mention it so that we can take care of it.
Sir, excuse me, I have a suggestion regarding this. Can we, instead of wasting so much of time in between, can we put the score at the end of the game?
That will be doing it, but after each round, that will be giving us suspense. Who is going fast? Who is going second?
Okay.
And do it fast. Why it will take so much of time? It should be dying only 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, can we go for the next round, please?
Please go ahead, sir.
Me, madam.
Okay. So Kanchan will be taking care of the next round. It's a neuron round. Again, it's nothing to relate with the neuron. It's just name. And Kanchan, are you ready?
Yes, sir. You can put up the next slide.
Okay.
So all the best to everyone. I hope you people are going to score the max this round, and the questions are going to be very, very easy. Okay. So, sir, next slide, please. So you have to correlate the image. This is the image. So you correlate the image with the type of the primary afferent nerve fibers. So everyone has finished even before time. See, 17 seconds are still remaining.
So it was very easy question, Kanchan.
No, sir. Questions are going to be very easy in this round. Still 12.
All of them.
No, sir.
There is 12 wrong answers.
They have answered it wrong. Okay. So as sir said,
Oh my God.
when
Kanchan, I am showing you the score first.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Sir, it is a confusing question, sir.
Primary afferent key.
There must be some confusion.
There is a confusion, sir.
I'll clear it up now. See, those G fibers and D fibers. They were all...
Score, Kanchan.
Oh, score. Sir, you have gone to the next slide.
Next question, yes.
Oh my God. Okay, tell the question.
Okay. So again, you correlate the image with the type of pain which is there. You can correlate it with whether it's a somatic pain, it's a visceral pain, it's a referred pain, or neuropathic pain. These are the features. Just try to correlate it with the answers. That was somatic pain, localized, crushing, tearing, and one more picture was there. We cannot go back. Next, sharp Okay, that knife, the sharp edges, then we have the tearing of the paper was there.
Oh my God.
Then one image was of crushing the can and dart. It was just to show you that it was a localized pain. So that these are the characteristics of a somatic pain. Sir, can we move on to the next slide?
Please, hello, please tell the question first and then start the time, please.
Sir, can we do that?
Yes, we can do that.
Sir, you're hurrying, sir.
Okay.
Only when she says slide, then you put it, sir, please.
Right. Okay, this was the the
Okay,
scores.
this is the score. Royal Archana, she is leading. Then is Jagriti, Pan, and Panic Priyanka, Panic Niyati.
Next question.
Yes, sir. Next slide, please.
All of you get ready for the next question.
So all of the following, they are unidimensional. Sir,
Unidimensional. These are school wrong Becker scale.
Please put yourself on mute.
slide very fast. I'm not able to read the questions. So all of them, like except one, they're the unidimensional pain scales. So just try to find out which is the odd out here. So the right answer
Okay, Kanchan, almost all of them has answered right.
that all of you have answered it correctly except one. For that person who has answered it wrongly, this McGill pain questionnaire, it's a multi-dimensional tool to assess pain, and rest were unidimensional. So Royal, again, Archana is leading the race. Then we have Pain, Panic, Priyanka. Then we have Pain, then Jagriti, Sirish, and again Pain. Killers, I think. Sir, is it Pain?
Pan India must be.
Okay.
Pain killers, Rishikesh, yes.
Okay. So, sir, we can move on to the next slide.
Okay, do you want to explain this slide?
Okay, so visual analog scale and verbal pain intensity scale and Von Baker's face rating scale, as I've said, they are the unidimensional tools to assess the pain. In the visual analog scale, we usually ask the patient to mark on the scale, and that aligns with their level of pain. In the verbal intensity scale, adjectives are used to describe the different levels of pain, and the respondent is asked to mark the adjective which fits best to the pain intensity. And in Von Baker's face rating scale, it usually combines pictures and the number for pain ratings. We have 6 faces, as you can see in the picture. So that depicts the different expressions ranging from happy to extremely upset. And each is assigned a numerical rating between 0, that is smiling face, and 10, that is crying face. And we just ask the patient to point to the picture that best represents the degree and the intensity of their pain. Fine.
Shall I go to the next question?
Next slide. So let me read the question. Move on the slide fast. Yes, the next one.
No.
Relate the image.
So you relate the image with
Hello,
this 4 answers and just try to find out which is the answer for this image.
Allodynia to access.
I hope who has not, please mute yourself. I'm happy that you all of you are answering even before the time is getting over. already like people have answered. Oh, still one wrong. Okay, so when we are talking about allodynia, that is the pain due to a stimulus that does not normally provoke pain. As you have seen in that image, there was a feather and we were just trying to touch that feather on the skin and the patient was crying in pain. So that answer is allodynia. Then we have hyperalgesia. Hyperalgesia is increased pain from a stimulus that normally provokes pain. And then we have hypoalgesia. Hypoalgesia is diminished pain in response to a normally painful stimulus. And then we have analgesia. Analgesia is the absence of pain in response to a stimulation which would normally be painful. Fine. So the answer is allodynia. And I'm very happy that 33 of you have answered it correctly. So I think that's all I think, sir, for my round. So
Okay, look at the score.
yes. So Royal Archana is leading again. Then we have Painkillers, Priyanka, Pan India Madonna, Jagriti Sirish, and Painkillers. So you can send me the scores on the WhatsApp. And sir, can we do one thing? Like we can continue with the third round and let them send me the score so we can announce the score once this round is over for the second round.
Okay, that can be done.
Is it possible?
So all of you are ready for the third round? So can we go for the third round? Third round would be paid by Dr. Chinmay.
Yes, sir. 41727.
Shall I go with the next round with Dr. Chinmay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Brain area involved with pain.
There are some brain areas which has been colored differently. So you have to say what area matches with the area which is colored in green color. What is that area? So you have four options: primary somatosensory cortex, secondary somatosensory cortex, inferior parietal lobe, insula.
Red.
See the green area only.
Red वाटतं बाई.
Please mute yourself.
So I am happy that most of you know the answer. Actually, functional MRI can determine that which areas are activated during our sensory pain processing. So there is nothing much to explain here. This is the primary somatosensory cortex. We have two somatosensory cortex. This is primary. Okay.
So Archana is again on the top.
Yeah.
Next question.
Match with the picture.
Melchek.
Ronald Melchek, name is written. So which theory he has given? Don't search for gate control.
Biopsychosocial model, pattern theory, neurometrics.
Please mute yourself. I think Anish.
So I am happy that most of you know that answer. Ronald Melchek, he had two theories. One is gate control theory, which he gave in 1965, and nearly after 30 years, he proposed another theory, and that is neurometrics theory. Okay. Next, yeah. So we can see the scores of individual people. Next question then. All are related with the image except the image of torpedo fish. So you are try to understand what is special about torpedo fish and what is related with the answers. Except. So you should, which is not related. You should click which is not related. Okay, everyone knows the answer. This is also a, very easy question. So we know what is the specialty of torpedo fish. It can produce electric current, and in very ancient civilization, Romans used torpedo fish to get the electric shock in their gout patients to relieve the pain of gout. So they did not know the mechanism, but ultimately the electric current was being used for pain relief. And now you can see all the three other methods there. Either it is TENS or spinal cord stimulation or electroacupuncture. Electric current is being used, but not in the ultrasound therapy. So it is the odd one out. Okay. So this is the scoreboard. So Archana is much ahead of others. Next question then. So which side effect of the drug does not decrease over time of prolonged use? Morphine picture you can see, but only one side effect does not decrease. Okay, again majority of us.
Chinmay, people
knows.
are writing answer in PBT group.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, answer is very much easy question. I don't give much tough questions.
But
So
if-
you know, this question is talking about tolerance. Patient develops tolerance to everything gradually, but not to constipation. Constipation continues if opioid is continued. Okay. Then next. Royal, Archana is much ahead of us, much ahead of others. Okay, then 4 questions over, no? Yeah. So this round is over.
Okay, next round by Debjyoti. Okay, any scores? Any update of the scores?
Sir, I think all of them are busy with their rounds, so they are not able to, I think, send it to others because they have to log out or something. So it's okay. We'll finish off all the rounds and take time and then announce the score, sir.
So now the 4th round by Dr. Debjyoti.
Yes.
Ma'am, be ready. Be ready.
So everybody is ready? Should we go ahead?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So which of the following medicine does not need calcium for its action, calcium channel for its action? So the most of the answer is correct. I do not know why it is confused with the pregabalin, because pregabalin acts on centrally acting calcium channel blocker, alpha 2 beta channels. So it should not be answered. And it is confused with C. It is surprising because nifedipine is a known calcium channel blocker.
Blair, please mute yourself so that you can listen to him.
Okay, move to the next. So still Archana.
All the players, please mute yourself. All the players, mute yourself. All the players, please mute yourself. Okay, we are going for the next question.
So which of the following drugs work by COX-3 receptor? This is answered by Sir twice in the previous lecture. So most of the answers are also correct. Okay, celecoxib is selective COX-2 inhibitor. Okay, and one wrong answer is tapentadol, but that is mostly working by the opioid receptor. So again, Archana leading, then Shirish. But Jishnu is coming up. Serotonergic effect is not caused by. This is very easy question. So the most answer is correct. So it was a great round, but let's see the scores. So Dr. Das will be taking the next round. That is thalamus round.
So last round. So any update of the scores, or at the end, scores will be updated?
At the end, sir.
Okay.
At the end,
So
sir.
get ready for the last round. 4 more questions. So who have scored little less? So last chance to So shall I start? Post-stroke neuropathic pain. What kind of pain is it?
बाद में रो लेना मेरे पास आके, अभी मैं कुछ काम करूं, बाद में रोना, पापा को बुला ले यार.
Please mute yourself.
Okay, majority answered right. So what is a central pain? Central pain is a special type of neuropathic pain where there is an identifiable central nervous system lesion. Example is your post-stroke neuropathic pain. Example is your Parkinsonism. Example is your brain tumor. Example is your any other central nervous system lesion causing neuropathic pain. That is your central pain. So post-stroke neuropathic pain is one of the commonest and one of the classic example of the central pain. So majority answered right. We are very happy. Next. The scores. Again, Archana is on the top. 3 more questions are left. Okay, ready for the next question? Score more than what indicates neuropathic pain in pain detect tool. Pain detect tool, sorry. More than that is equal to neuropathic pain in pain detect tool. This is one of the very commonly used tool for understanding neuropathic pain. So that was a tricky answer. Huh? So 12 or less is your basically nociceptive pain. More than 18 is equal to your neuropathic pain. So you have intentionally made because there was no other answers. So 12 of you answered right. And remember, this is one of the very commonly used tool to understand whether the pain is neuropathic or not. Let us see the score. So again, Archana is on the top and few others. So last 2 questions. Get ready. Odd for the pain doctor. So 4 pictures are there, which is odd for a pain doctor. So majority answered right. So crawling of the ants, the burning sensations, electric shock-like sensations. So all these are basically signs of neuropathic pain, which is very much, pain doctor should know all those things. But this is an odd one. Here it doesn't carry any meaning. So majority of you answered nice. So last question of this today's quiz competition. So it's a little bit tough, but already I have answered it in my lecture. So please look at the picture, there will be photograph, and then you have to relate the answers in your photographs. Please go ahead with the photograph first. First, let us see the score, current score. Again, Archana on the top, others are close. Look at the photographs now. So look at this photograph. This is not the question. Look at the photograph only. Are you ready? Shall I go with the question? Shall I go?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the question. Who is responsible? Okay, majority answered right. So we just, in my lecture, I discussed three kind of your the efferent sympathetic fibers: pseudomotor, vasomotor, pilomotor. So pseudomotor releases acetylcholine. That means sweating is related with the acetylcholine. So the first slogan was just to mislead you. So it is the sweating. What is the important? So for sweating, who is responsible? For sweating, responsible neurotransmitter is your acetylcholine, not the others. Okay. So are you ready to see the individual answers? Team score, we cannot show you right now. You know, all of you calculate from each of your team, but right now we are ready with because this app is ready with the individual scores. So Pratibha,
Yes, sir.
shall I display the individual score?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is the individual score. Okay, no. There is sorry. There is another question was left. Sorry. This was the last question. Look at this YouTube video.
Very serious. BP normal. It is not a joke, people. Hemoglobin 15, money normal. Urine test normal. Diabetes negative. Kidney function normal. ECG normal.
Okay, so this was related with the, this was only 20 seconds question. So amitriptyline was the right answer. Means, oh no, sorry, majority of the so answer was the paracetamol. So my question was wrong. So what we'll be doing it, we'll be deleting these questions. So there was some error in typing these questions. So answer was paracetamol. This was related to the questions with your the tramadol. So right now, whatever scores what we are showing in this app is we'll be checking it later on, and we'll be finally coming up with the scores. But let us see what is the score right now.
So now how do we calculate, sir?
So from the back end, we'll be able to see it, and we'll be finally calculate it later on. So right now, what we are showing it, look at this.
Jagriti. Jagriti is on the top. No, Ryan Archana is on the top, followed by Jeshnu and then Shirish. Jagriti.
Okay, so what we'll do, will be last question. There was answer what was there in the was wrong. So I don't know what happened, because this question was supposed to come earlier, but unfortunately there was some, in saving the app. So what we'll be doing, each individual questions will be, if you are going into the app, we'll be able to see how much score is done and what is the time taken for each of the individual. And according to that, we'll be calculating the final score, and we'll be, informing the score to the next round. So, but whatever the score is displayed, Archana is definitely was the first one, even if there is minor correction in the questions.
So I think, sir, we should delete this question and whatever.
Yes, we'll be deleting the question and we'll be making the final scores before we are having the next round.
This question, whatever was the round, whatever was the score, that would be the final score.
Right.
Okay, so we have still not received anything. So I don't think now we can.
Hello, Pratibha. Hello. Hello, Pratibha. So we have coming towards the end of today's competition, quiz competition. So we'll be requesting all the team captains to send their questions, but we'll be checking it finally from our, the back end, whatever the answers are there, and we'll be coming up with the final scores for individual as well as the team questions. And before we are coming to the next round, we'll be announcing the scores. So just for your information, next question, the date of the quiz we'll be announcing very shortly in our WhatsApp group. And next question, the lecture will be taken by Dr. Pratibha. The topics and everything will be announced in our WhatsApp group. So if you have any questions, any comments from any of the members or players, you can make. Otherwise, we'll be winding up today's session. Anything, any comment from Pratibha, from Kanchan, or any of the participants, any team members or captains or mentors? So I hope all of you have enjoyed it, and we'll be trying to make it more attractive in the next session.
Sir, thank you so much. And I think the scores will be known to them, all of them, on the PBT group.
Right.
Congratulations, Archana.
Yes. And one more announcement I have to make, sir, that Gujarat. Excuse me. Krishna here. Hi, Krishna.
Oh, Gautam, very good. I was enjoying. I was full time here today. I saw whole program. Really good.
So this Gujarat team is not there on the PBT group. So I request Gujarat team to add all the members in the PBT group so that the scores can be added there.
Yes, we will be requesting all the teams to add their members' name in the PBT group, WhatsApp group. That is basically a platform to communicate between the players and the organizers.
So thank you so much, and
Okay.
I hope everybody enjoyed. And I think we.
Yes,
can
if
leave the
anybody
room
wish to make any comment or anything, otherwise we'll be winding up today's session.
And if you have any suggestions, all the team members, you can put it in the group so that we can try to improve or whatever changes
Right,
are
right.
suggested, we can do that.
Right.
Sir, it was a very nice activity for non-participants also. Thank you very much for that.
Yeah, non-participants, there is no tension, so they are enjoying.
Yes.
Sir and organizer, Sunita speaking, sir, excellent. We thoroughly enjoyed, but there was a lot of tension also. That was
Yes.
my team.
No, adrenaline secretion must be there to have the best performance.
Exactly.
Some
Without adrenaline secretion, we can't have the best performance.
a light round should be there. Sir. A light.
Right. Basically, the last round was light round, but unfortunately, it didn't work nicely. And I want to tell one thing. This last round, the last question was based on Sunita's suggestion that there should be something light. So I tried to make this thing light, but unfortunately, it didn't work nicely.
Thank you, sir. Next time I'll help.
Okay.
It always gives a pleasure of giving exam again and again and again.
Yes. Exam makes us read. So we read. We become sincere again. But it is very difficult to read, sir, now. What we used to do before. It takes time.
No, what already you have mentioned, that we'll be trying to incorporate all the questions in the lecture. So
Yes.
if somebody is attentively listening the lecture, 80% questions he will be able to answer.
And the 10 tricky questions of Das, sir, which make the difference.
Completely agree with you, sir. Enjoyed it thoroughly.
Very nice.
But one or two questions were really confusing in the second.
Right. That should be there. That must be there.
Question was confusing, sir. Afferent sympathetic one. Only A was written.
That was like myelinated fiber. That sheath was a myelin sheath.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So A fibers is going to have myelin sheath. C
Yeah, yeah.
fibers are unmyelinated, and
that
those
was
were
complete.
dummy fillers. So that was I thought it was the easiest.
No, actually, because the pain is carried by both, na A delta and C. So we were confused.
It was A fibers. Then we had like C fibers, then D fibers and G fibers.
But A is A delta also, na, or no?
Also, that is
It
right.
was A fibers. I have not specified it as A beta or A delta. It was just A fibers.
But A delta comes under A's, madam.
They are the
It comes under A, no? That's why.
got confused in that.
That's why we got confused. Otherwise, we would have written A.
No, but that was clear, na? Myelinated and non-myelinated. It was actually
That
it was
the
a
key.
googly.
That was the key.
C,
A fibers are myelinated. So whether it is an A delta or whatever A, it is myelinated. So that was the clue.
Okay.
Yes, that was a googly question actually.
Okay.
Right, right.
Okay, okay.
Googly question.
वो टेंशन में रहते हैं तो नहीं समझता.
हाँ, exactly.
शक्ति टीम कहीं दिखी नहीं. शक्ति टीम बकअप. शक्ति का कहीं नाम ही नहीं था.
टोटल में आएंगे हम ऊपर.
Shakti was, second after the first round.
Were we only? So that a question, some problem was there, I think so. Sir, what is the topic for next sir session?
That will be announced by Dr. Pratibha.
Okay, okay, sir.
So very soon it will be announced.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us
Within 2 days, we'll announce it.
okay. So let us complete. Let us end today's session. Anybody have any suggestions to improve it? Please make your comment on the WhatsApp group so that we can improve it further.
Okay, sir.
Palpitation going on, sir.
Right.
अभी तो खत्म हो गया ना. अभी क्यों palpitation?
Score back.
Over. Today's tension over.
So hope that all of you enjoyed the session, and it was really nice to be a part of this and enjoyed being with all of you. And on behalf of organizing committee, I really want to thank all of you taking so much of active participation and making it a very fun-filled process. So thank you so much, and we take leave from you. See you soon. We'll announce the next topic and the date within two 3 days.
Pratibha, scores? Scores?
Actually score because this problem is there, na? The last question tha. So
you are going to rectify.
So what do we do, sir? I
Yes,
think we'll announce on the group.
we'll be deleting that question and we'll be announcing the scores in the WhatsApp group, and before the next, the match is there, we'll be announcing the score.
No prize for Archana Nankar?
Yes, definitely. She is the first one.
No prize?
She's the topper, she
Yes.
will get it.
Archana, she is gold medalist.
Okay. Bye, all of you. Good night.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Good night.